Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your store currency in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to change my online store currency, just switch from website builder to manage store. Then click on settings and select store details. Below regional settings, you will see your current currency or current used currency, and if it is graded, you can't edit it or you can't change it. This means that you have a connected payment method that you need to disable. So to disable a payment method in Hostinger, it's simple. Below settings, click on payments. As you see here, next to PayPal, I have PayPal enabled as a payment gateway. So I need to click on manage, then disconnect PayPal. Click on disconnect. Now that I don't have any enabled payment method, just go back to store details and you will be able to change your online store currency. Here, select your online store currency, for example. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Here, select your online store currency. For example, let's search for Oro. Click on it. Click on save. And to make sure that your new currency started being used, it is better to switch back to website builder and update your website. Let's view my website live. Go to the store. And as you see, now my store started using the euro. And this is how to change your online store currency in Hostinger website builder. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you.